welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses, Green Thumb Edition. Yes, made it even official. Green thumb, green gloves. Alright, so what I have are two plants I'm about to pot and take into the home. I have the mums, which is your very popular fall plant. Yes, it blooms in the fall. Beautiful plant. It's a plant that my wife has been saying that she wanted, so I figured I'd surprise her. She's obviously not here, so I'm gonna make it happen. And her favorite color is purple, so boom shakalaka. And I also have a catnip plant, and it's a herb. You can find it in the herb section. I found this one at Home Depot. I found the mum at Lowe's, and I'm gonna just pot it and bring it into the house. I got the catnip because we've been having like bugs in the house, and ain't nobody got time for that. But and they say catnip and actually mums as well help to alleviate bugs in the home. It's a nice healthy alternative to bug sprays, insecticides, and all that good stuff, because we have a little son at the home who is on the pacifier right now, so he'll spit it out and put it in his mouth, spit it out, put it in his mouth. So I don't want all those harmful things in the home or on the floor. So I have plants. Yeah, so I'll start off with the catnip. And I see you can see it. I have a simple little pot, very simple, cost effective. And I'm going to put rocks in it first. Why? Because I don't have drain holes in this bottom of the pot. And so of course, you don't want your soil to, rot because the water just sits in there. So having the rocks to be like a bottom layer, as you can see there. Quick commercial break. Like, comment, subscribe so you can be a part of the Green Thumb group, okay? GTG, okay? Green Thumb group. Come on, let's do this together. Build a community. Talk about different things. Comment, like, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, okay? It'll give your soil space between the water sitting and the soil itself, so your plants don't get root rot and all that good stuff. All right, so I have my dirt, good old nature's dirt. All right, so now I will get my little tag out. You want to keep the tag on there just in case you want to have questions and go back to it. All right, so this is a beautiful plant. As you can see, the roots are it's kind of becoming root bound to the bottom, of the pot. So it's good that I rescued it. And of course I want it lower than that. So I'm gonna take it out, put it back in the pot. Take some of this dirt out. And, it's just trial and error. Test and see. There's no right way of doing it as long as you have fun doing so. Still too high. Trying to hurry up before my wife gets home. All right, this is perfect. Perfectly placed where I want it to be. And so now I can go ahead and start to add the dirt back around the sides of it. And it's okay. If you lose some, it's all right. It's all dirt anyway, right? I can do it over the pot. Which we plant a lot in my home, so I just keep my dirt in one of my plant boxes just to make it easier than getting it out of the bag. All right, shake it down a little bit to see how we're looking. Get the excess dirt off the leaves so they can be nice and pretty. And there you have it. Push it down a little bit because you want to at least have an inch or so at your top, so that when you put the water in there, the water doesn't overflow. But you want to make sure there's a little reservoir so that when you water, the water can seep down into the roots and plant itself. So make sure you leave yourself a space for that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have our catnip potted, ready to go to the home. Next we have the mom, purple mom, and I'm gonna do the same thing as far as the rocks at the bottom because this one doesn't have a drain hole as well. They say it's good to have a drain hole in the bottom of your pot. However, I went cheap, okay? Truth of the matter is I went cheap. That's what it was, okay? When we start getting sponsored, I'll use the pots that are sent to me. And I'm open to pots, I'm open to plants, inside and outside. Send them my way. I'm welcome. I'm open. Hopefully there are no ants in the rocks because I did get it from the flower bed, but we'll see. We will see. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm gonna make sure I keep my catnip tag with it. Whew, thought that was my wife. All right. Get that out of here. All right, let's get this out of the pot. Just a little shake, nothing too aggressive. All right, so this one is nicely potted. I caught it at a good time. It's not plant or pot bound like the catnip, but it's nice. And I can tell it was wet today. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, so let's put some dirt in there so it can be nice and full. Give it a little shake. That actually looks great. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. That's all it takes to pot your plants once you get home from the garden center, garden stores. And I say it's that easy because, you know, maybe you see plants at the store and you're wondering how do you get it from the plant store or the Lowe's or Home Depot to your home successfully and to pot it and plant it successfully. It's just that easy. Just a little care, just a little love, and you'll have your plants from the store bought pot to the pot of your choice. And if you don't have a pot with a drain hole at the bottom, the rocks trick is a trick that you can use. But at the end of the day, you know, if you want, you can spend the extra money to have a drain hole and make sure there's a saucer and things like that to catch the excess water. Because in most plants, you do want the water to drain all the way through. But yeah, these are the mums and the catnip. And I'm so excited to add them to our home indoor flower collection. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment on various plants that you even have at your home that you love potting, planting, and that you maybe even have multiple of. And with this Green Thumb edition, you'll see all the various outdoor adventures and plants and all the different things we do outside in the Jones residence because we do so much. And it's so much fun to share with you. So join the crew, Green Thumb edition. Oh, let me put my glove on. Green Thumb edition, because you can do these things too. It's simple. We can walk through it together, okay? Green Thumb gang. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.